Get ready for an amazing motorcycle trip to the Ontario's Highlands region. We spent 3 days exploring this beautiful area with friends, from Haliburton all the way to the Ottawa River.
Motoca toda pronta, com as bagagens, a Nandinha encapuzada até a cabeça, eu também, partiu!
We were meeting with the first group of friends at an en route station just outside of Toronto. En route stations in Canada are adjacent to the highways, and they are only accessible from the highway itself, so they're a great place to meet. The plan is to take Highway 400 all the way to Barrie, then start heading over to the location where we're going to stay, drop our luggages, and go explore. We're staying just south of Haliburton, which is a great starting point to amazing routes. And no, these are not the people that I'm meeting here. While I'd be more than interested in going to an adventure ride, this is going to be something for some of my other videos.
2 hours and a half, if we stop 3 hours.
Yeah.
So we'll get there
we'll
around.
make a stop somewhere.
Yeah. We can stop and have lunch. Yeah, no, we gotta stop it. We stop maybe every 40 minutes an hour,
guys,
just at least quick.
Almost half an ounce of marijuana, so we'll be good. We're getting stoned.
I bought 2 side bags to bring with me to Brazil. These are supposed to go on the engine guards on the V-Strom. They're not really made for the XSR, but I was able to fit them in, and they were a great help. Combined with the tank bag, it allowed us to put a lot more weight on the bike instead of having to carry on ourselves, which made the trip a lot less tiring. As we get close to our destination, we decide that it's time to stop and refuel our body. We find the burger joint in Kinmount and stop to get a bite to eat.
Mozzarella sticks.
Roadhouse burger.
I know. I wonder how big they are. I don't wanna eat too much actually. Yeah. It's 1 o'clock.
We're gonna cook till later on, no?
Eu vou comer hambúrguer sem pão.
Are we making a barbecue tonight?
Sure, I'm in. You just have to buy stuff, right? The guy said that he has there should be an extra tank of gas too, so.
After eating, I decided to fly the drone and take some footage of the area. Look at this amazing view. The road leading to the cottage is a beautiful gravel road, full of trees, with the sun cutting through its leaves. I'm a big fan of dirt roads and off-roading, but as I'm riding a sports bike, I have to respect its limits and try to contain myself.
Wow. This is so cool. Caralho. Holy shit. Oh. If it's hot like today, I think tomorrow's gonna be hotter. I'm jumping. Você não trouxe? Eu falei.
Are you kidding me? The water's gonna be frozen.
No. It's a small lake. Uau! Que isso! Meu Deus!
Ah, quente bastante dentro da água.
Tá. Ué, é só você não entrar, ué. Oxe.
Once we got settled at the cottage and I had my fun at the lake, it was time for us to go grocery shopping. We all have very limited storage space in our bikes, with the exception of Glenn. We were really glad that he was there with us. Without him, it would have been really hard to bring our groceries back to the cottage.
Não pica não. Pica nada.
Mosquito pequenininho é o quê?
Mosquito que não pica.
Mas é o quê?
É uma fly.
É um mosquito, né?
É uma fly, não é
Senta aqui.
mosquito.
Senta aqui.
Quero não, cara.
Pra quem disse que não ia ter mosquito, tem.
Tem mosquitinho que não pica.
Ué,
Senta
mas
aqui
é
só um
mosquito.
pouquinho, Vi, vai.
Ela quer que você esquente ela.
Eu sei, cara. Eu não sei disso.
We make a first stop for the day at Bancroft to stretch our legs. The plan is to go all the way to Eganville, close to the Ottawa River. None of us is familiar with this area, so we just picked a route on the map that looked good, and that's where we're going. That's the great thing about these rides. You head into the unknown hoping that it's going to be an amazing ride, and in most cases, it will. As we arrive in Eganville, we look for a coffee shop for a quick snack. We still have between 2 to 3 hours ride to get back to the cottage, and we want to try to avoid riding at night, as I almost hit a deer on the way here. One last flight of the drone to get some more amazing footage for this video, and we're out of here. And it's time to head back to the cottage. We rode through amazing roads and saw beautiful places. I can't believe that almost 2 days have gone by. Tonight, we'll enjoy it together for one last time before we head home tomorrow.
Hey, what's going on?
It's the last day and we have to cut it short due to a rainstorm that is coming in. Most of the group already left and it's only Marcelo, Nanda and I behind. We start heading back to Toronto, trying to stay ahead of the rain.
Falou, Marcelão.
Embaixo pode comprar umas com essa mão.
Ah, né?
Porque é dura.
Aham, tá ligado.
A gente se fala.
Bom te ver, bom andar. Vamos ver se a gente combina alguma coisa antes de terminar a temporada, né, pô? Ver se sai com todo mundo junto.
Com certeza.
Consegue reunir os moleques, pô.
Another amazing trip with unforgettable experiences. I'm already excited just thinking of what the next destination will be. But at the same time, I'm also happy for being home.